Today we're visiting the museum Parque Explora. This is a museum where you can touch everything and learn a lot. Welcome to Colombia! Hello from Medellin in Colombia. Today we're going to visit the museum Parque Explora, and it's actually very easy to get here. You just take the metro until the station Universidades, and then you go out of the station and it's right in front of you. It's a huge museum, different buildings, and we're going to find out what we can experience there. But from what I heard, it must be a great place where you can touch everything, learn a lot. It's a real empiric museum. We have something similar in Switzerland, in Winterthur, which is called Technorama, and I was there a lot as a kid, and I still remember. I had such a good time. And today I'm a little older, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy it as well. So let's go! Got out again. It's very difficult, very difficult. Moving this seat forward and backward, your weight value is actually more. So when you go all the way backwards, you're more heavy than 5 heavy people on the other side. This is cool. And now we need a test pilot, and I have the right person in mind. So we have our test pilot, Paola. We will try that one. Más rápido, más rápido.
Más rápido, más rápido.
I'm much faster than she was. Actually, it's not for playing music, but to see the vibration. Because when you pull that, you have the shadows of the wires, and when you pull them, you see the vibration of the strings, which is very cool. Very dramatic. I feel almost like Mozart, or even Beethoven. placer, señores. Queridos colombianos, vamos a construir una nación en armonía, próspera y justa para los nuevos. ¡Cálmanse! ¡Cálmanse! Yourself. That's it for today from Parque Explora in Medellin, Colombia. And if you like Paola playing with the water, subscribe our channel and she will play longer with the water. If you like our video, give us a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit the bell that you will be notified when we upload more cool videos. If you have any questions or comments or whatever, you can write them down in the comment section. You have additional information in the description section. And if you want to come to Colombia, you also will find the links below. I say goodbye from Medellin, Colombia, Parque Explora. Do you say goodbye too, Paola? Bye. Bye bye.